So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I have a very great news for you. So finally the Grok tool is now open to the public. So if you don't know what Grok is, basically it's the ChatGPT version of X or Twitter like it was formerly called, which is owned by Elon Musk. And so for a very long time, to have access to this tool you had to subscribe to X paid version to have access to that tool, but finally they have made it open and now everybody can have access to it. So just look at it like X version of ChatGPT, and we are going to test it out today and see how useful and how efficient it is, and if it compares to ChatGPT as well. So if you want to have access to it, it's very straightforward. All you need to do is to head on to x.com, and there you're going to see the menu. If you have an account, you log in and do all of that, you're going to see this menu called Grok, and basically if you can click on here, you're going to have access to Grok. So it's amazing and it does some amazing things. So we are going to check it out a little bit in this video and see basically what it's capable of. So Twitter, or let's just go with Twitter as it was formerly called, has over I think 1 billion users or more or less, and so you have already a lot of people who use this app or this website already, and so basically all of those people are going to have access directly to this AI feature or this AI tool, and it's already amazing. It comes directly, you can make use of it directly in your browser, on your phones, or wherever you find yourself. No need to install anything additional other than Twitter that you might already have on your devices. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what it can do. So straight away you can see some of the features. It gives you some idea. You can already see Python being mentioned here. It means it can code. You can ask it what it can do. You can get information on news, recent news. You can also generate images. That's also a huge feature that it's capable of. So let's go ahead and just ask it what it can do, straight away. I like the interface of it. The text is very big and the answers are well organized, similar to ChatGPT as well. So yeah, so straight away you get an answers. I can provide information on virtually any topic, from science and history to culture and current events. If something is beyond my knowledge, I can search the web for the latest information. So right away, just this first is already a one-up on ChatGPT, which was trained on data for previous years. It's true that recently they have been integrating current data, and they have integrated their search GPT on ChatGPT, which allows you to search the web. But straight away from here, you see it has not only access to the huge information pool from Twitter, but it also can access current information. So yeah, so let's just go ahead and test that out straight away. Can you tell me today's date? Let's see if it knows when we are and what today is. So it says it clearly, today is the 20th of December 2024, and that's accurate. So you can already see it's aware of current events and it knows what's going on. So we can ask it what's the latest news in Cameroon and include references. So you're going to see if you can get that information and if you can reference as well where it gets the information. Already here you can see it shows you the 15 web pages where it got its information from and the 7 posts. That's already the reference, and it's quite interesting. If you click on here, you can see the different news where it got its information, the Cameroon US Embassy website and some other information. Yeah, you can see the different website and you can have access to them. So already you can trust that the information it has is accurate and it's coming from reliable sources. That's already a great thing. You can equally see the post from which you got the information. The posts are, the tweets that are here on Twitter. You can see here on Twitter, X, or however you want to call it. So you can see where you got those information from. So this is quite interesting. You can see the date and time, 57 minutes ago, 49 minutes ago. So you see it really works with recent information and recent data. So I really like it already for this feature. It's already awesome. So it can do many other things. For example, language translation. I can help with language queries, translation, or understanding idiomatic expressions. And you can see user information. If needed, I can access user profile information like names, handles, location, and so on. Image generation, mathematical problems, technical assistance, analyze content. You can upload contents from your computer on here. So it's quite interesting, quite amazing. Yeah. And equally general assistance as well, trivia and all one not. So that's already amazing. So one thing I like to test whenever I use these AI tools is if they can speak a language which is not a formal language, like Pidgin English in Cameroon. Can you speak Pidgin English from Cameroon? This is not something necessarily that an AI is trained on, but with the information it finds online, it's able to make that inference and learn the language. So let's see. Yes, I can help you with Cameroon Pidgin English. How now? If you want to know something or just want to chop some conversation in Pidgin, just ask. For example, if you want to say how are you in Cameroon Pidgin, you will say how now or how you day, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so let's go ahead and translate one English sentence into Pidgin. So translate this sentence into Pidgin. What time is it in Cameroon? So I'll just went with a simple sentence. Let's not give it too complicated of a sentence to do. Let's see if you can make that inference and come up with that. Okay, well, I guess it's not that bad. He uses these web pages to find out information. I guess it's not that bad. Let's kind of see the web pages he uses. The current time, time in Cameroon. Oh, okay, I just think this just time in Cameroon. Yeah, so yeah, but I think he found something very accurate. It's not that far off. Yeah, but is it? So as you can see, it does an amazing job of finding that. So definitely you can test it a lot more and see how far it can go. But from my first observation, I see already it's lacking a lot of features that ChatGPT already has. For example, ChatGPT already has voice where you can speak to to the AI, and it has some much more features that are much more oriented towards maybe coding or developing content and so on and so forth. So definitely Grok still has a long way to go, but it's already so far so good. It's already doing an amazing job. You can definitely check it out and ask it, stress test it, see how far it can go, and maybe let me know in the comment section. So there you have it. You have a new ChatGPT in town, so definitely check it out and let's see what it can do. So one last thing, I'll just ask it just to get a sense of how accurate it is with current information is, what are the most trending tweets today? Well, I'll call it tweets. I guess you can understand what I mean by that. The most trending topics on X, formerly Twitter, worldwide include, alright, these cryptocurrencies associated with art, and so, wow, okay, yep. So can you give me links to those? Yeah, I want to get the links so I can go and check if that information is accurate actually. Okay, I guess these are the links. Alright, it opens in a new page, but it's taking me to a website. Alright, let me just be precise. No, I want the links to the tweets here on X. Alright, let's see if we can do this better. Alright, so it can't include the links to the tweets. Well, that's a letdown, but I guess it's already does an amazing job. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. So far so good. We have a new Grok or a new tool in town with AI functionalities. Definitely check it out and let me know what you think about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.